Let's make Piña Colada Old Fashioned. Recently I've been told that the best way to make a cocktail is to start with the least expensive ingredients first. So that's what I'm going to try tonight, even though I haven't done the math on it. Let's start with our bitters. 2 drops, or more drops if you want. Maybe I'm going to do a whole dash of my bitters. Vino does specify tiki bitters. I'm using Jamaican No. 2 from Bitter Cube. And I'm just doing a dash, a dropper full. Next, pineapple syrup. I'm going to make but I do make my own pineapple syrup. We need 1 bar spoon, which is 5 millimeters, which is 1 teaspoon of your pineapple syrup. Link for my recipe will be in the description down below. Then, and I don't know how these prices compare for the rums, so I'm just going to do them. 3/4 of an ounce of your pineapple rum. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 3/4 ounce of your coconut rum, and make sure you do your bicep curls if you're using a bottle this big. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. See if I can do this. Grip strength, don't fail me now. It's the only size bottle I could find when I was shopping for coconut rums. I have trouble justifying buying another bottle until I use this thing up, especially since the cap won't go back up. Then 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters of your rum. And in this case for me it's a Jamaican, Smith & Cross. For Vino's recipe, it would be a Puerto Rican aged. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. Did I say that? I hope so. Now I'm going to get some ice. Now that I have ice, I'm going to add that to the mixing glass and give it a stir. And a Vino wink. Now I am going to double strain this. Oh, before I double strain this, I'm going to get 1 more piece of ice. I do have silicone bowls with skulls, which I love. Thank you from Will, a gift from my friend Will. I'm going to pull the ice out of here. I'll be with you in just a moment. And I don't know if you can tell, but my ice cube is pink. That's because I'm using coconut water, organic coconut water. And this is in the recipe, coconut water ice cube. I'm going to wipe off my hands quick. Now I am going to strain, and I'm going to double strain because my coconut syrup is made from a pulp, so that it has a little bit of floating bits. So I'm going to double strain over my ice. And garnish. We're going to use a pineapple leaf. Tuck that in there. And then we've got this fancy little orange spiral with a cherry on it. But I almost forgot. We need to express some orange on there as well. I went horizontal just in case you didn't know. Wipe. And discard this one. And there you have it. Piña Colada Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits.